Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Drone is probably one of the most exciting and educational toys for kids in recent years, allowing them to explore their creativity and learn valuable skills in a fun and engaging way. This comprehensive review will cover everything you need to know before buying a drone for your child, from camera quality and flight time to safety features and ease of use, helping you choose the perfect drone that will provide hours of fun and learning. Number 5. Holy Stone HS190 Mini Drone. It features a one-click takeoff and landing, making it super easy to control, perfect for kids and beginners. The 3D flips add an extra thrill to the flying experience. The altitude hold function lets it hover steadily, and headless mode means directions are always relative to you. It's carefree flying for everyone. It comes with 3 speed modes: low, medium, and high. This lets users of all skill levels enjoy flying it. The propellers are protected, keeping little fingers safe. And the emergency stop function ensures a quick and safe landing. It's incredibly compact, easily folding into its controller. Take it anywhere: parties, school, even hiking. It's the perfect gift. When flying multiple drones, make sure to power on and pair each drone and remote separately to avoid frequency interference. What we like. It's simple to use, especially for kids. The 3D flips add excitement. If you're looking for a safe and easy-to-use drone for young children, this is a great option. What people say. This mini drone from Holy Stone is very responsive and full of features. It is perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who just wants to have fun. It is also useful for practicing your flying skills, both indoors and outdoors. It does not take a relatively long time to charge, roughly 30 minutes, via USB or from the transmitter, and gives you 5 to 8 minutes of flying time. It has several colored LEDs on the drone body and a bright white LED in the front, which look cool and also provide a method of tracking the drone and its orientation. It has 3 speeds from which to choose. All of the features worked great from the start. The one-key takeoff and landing functions performed well. The altitude hold function worked pretty good, but the performance was improved even more by using the trimmers buttons. The high-speed rotation and flip mode are fun to try and watch. The one-key return worked as described in the manual, but you do need to be aware of the drone's position relative to you and the transmitter. Headless mode allows you to control the drone relative to the transmitter, so you do not have to be concerned about keeping the head of the drone facing away from you. This is a great little drone for beginners or anyone really. This has some nice features for something so small. Easy to learn, nice features, responsive, just plain fun to fly around the house. It has 3 speeds, the default speed is the slowest and easiest. The fast is pretty quick and you need to pay attention, surprising for its size but still fun. Auto takeoff and landing worked perfect, and on landing you can still control the direction of the drone. The drone held its position well after takeoff once it was trimmed. Number 4. Holy Stone HS440 Drone. It features a 1080p HD camera adjustable up to 90 degrees. Capture stunning aerial footage with its wide-angle lens, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time with its powerful modular battery. Explore more of your surroundings on a single charge. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport and store. Take it anywhere your adventures lead. It offers simple operation with features like auto takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's perfect for beginners and kids. Fly with confidence thanks to safety features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. It provides a safe and fun flying experience. With its advanced features and long flight time, it's the perfect tool to capture breathtaking moments and explore the world from above. What we like. This drone boasts a high-quality camera and long flight time. It's also conveniently foldable. If you need a drone with great image quality and extended flight time for longer adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. 2 batteries means long flight times for practice. Durable construction, crashed it several times with no loss of props or anything but scratches. Easy to control, easy to learn and easy to fly. Camera works great. Number 3. Hiturbo FPV Drone. It has a 1080p camera that's manually adjustable. You can take photos and videos from unique perspectives, even inspecting hard-to-reach places. This drone comes with 2 batteries, each giving you about 12 minutes of flight time. That's up to 24 minutes of fun before needing a recharge. Control it with the remote or your smartphone app. The app unlocks features like voice control and trajectory flight. Altitude hold, 3D flips, and one-key takeoff landing make it super easy to fly, even for beginners. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. It's simple to operate, with fewer steps than other drones. This makes it ideal for your first drone experience. Prepare to be amazed at how easy it is to use. For optimal control and stability, remember to calibrate the gyroscope each time you power it on. It only takes 2 seconds. What we like. Enjoy double the flight time with its 2 batteries. It also features a 1080p camera for capturing memories. If you want extended flight time and ease of use, this drone is perfect for you. What people say. This thing is easy to fly. After about 3 hours of practice, my son was doing flips and cartwheels with it. The battery has about 20 to 30 minutes of fly time. Very easy to set up and controls are responsive. It's small to carry and the case comes in handy. Best drone purchased and great for beginners. I bought this drone to compare it to a much more expensive drone I had already. The first thing I noticed was the nice packaging, much better than the more expensive one that did not come with a carrying case. It comes with 2 batteries for much longer flying time, and the camera is great. This is easy to fly and lots of fun, it even does the stunts at low speed. Number 2. Velcase VGO Drone. It features an adjustable 1080p HD camera, so you can capture breathtaking photos and videos from above. Share your amazing footage with friends instantly. This drone is perfect for beginners and kids. Its multiple functions, like one-key takeoff and landing, make flying simple and fun. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to take with you wherever you go. Enjoy extended flight times with 2 included batteries. Optical flow positioning and altitude hold ensure stable and smooth flights, resulting in high-quality photos and videos. It also features 360 degrees flips for added fun. Control it with simple hand gestures or voice commands. It can even follow a preset path or orbit a point. The possibilities are endless. It comes with propeller guards and spare parts, ensuring safe operation. We also offer 24-hour technical support and a refund service. What we like. Capture stunning footage with its 1080p camera and enjoy a variety of flight modes. It's also conveniently portable. If you want a feature-rich and portable drone for various adventures, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Starting with the unboxing, I was surprised by the carrying case and remote that were included. The drone, remote, batteries, extra fins for propellers, USB-C all came neatly packaged. The directions are easy to read and follow. This model has 3 different speeds ranging from, in my opinion, beginner to intermediate. The slowest speed can be used around the house or for younger kids. The camera works really well for such a price-efficient drone. To utilize the camera function, you will be required to download the app and link the drone. It's super easy to do, so don't be worried. Number 1. S17 Drone with camera. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, so you can capture stunning photos and videos. Enjoy live panoramas by connecting it to your phone and share your amazing moments instantly. This drone is incredibly user-friendly. Simply tap the one-key Start Landing button and use the altitude hold for stable shots. The app's headless mode makes it easy to control, even when it's far away. Control it with your voice. Say commands like fly, land, or photo. Or use hand gestures to take pictures and videos. It's that intuitive. 2 batteries are included, giving you more flight time. It also performs amazing 360 degrees flips, adding fun to your aerial adventures. We're here to help. Our team provides 24-hour technical support. Contact us if you have any questions or need assistance. Check out the exciting new features, gesture control, voice control, and track flight. More details are available in the app's manual. What we like. It features a high-quality 1080p camera and is incredibly user-friendly. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries for extended flight time. If you're a beginner or looking for a simple yet capable drone with long flight times, this is ideal. What people say. App works pretty well with your phone, so you can use the camera too. And there's even more features with the app. Very easy to use, and I was also very impressed with the camera and video quality. Easy directions and setup, controls are very simple, camera is good for price, battery life is outstanding, and navigation stability are quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.